So in front of me I've got Honor 90. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's go to Google app and enter menu. Go to settings, Google Assistant and voice match. Now enable Hey Google function, and as you can see it's working. So now let's go back. Enter lock screen and also enable assistant responses on lock screen. Now you can simply lock the screen and say, "Hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow?" And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.